Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful floral motif which is titled as Whimsical Floral Motif 1, pattern 1. There are other variations also for this, and this is the simplest one. Let us go into the video without much delay. I am using three colors for this. One is the daffodil yellow, the other one is the Barbie pink, and this is the dark pink of Aran yarns from Magic Needles. So let us go into the video friends right now. Make a magic ring and secure it with a loop so that the yarn moves in between. Okay, now chain, you can start with chain 4 or chain 3. Chain 3 will give a better height for the 2 treble cluster. 1, 2, 3, yarn over twice. So this is the first, it is considered as the first 2 treble cluster. Now chain 3 and make 2 treble cluster, yarn over twice, 1 incomplete treble, again yarn over twice, second incomplete treble. You will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 of them. So 3 chains, 2 treble cluster, totally 7 times in excluding this. So make 7 more times. I shall get back. Totally we need to have 8 2 treble clusters and 8 chain 3 spaces. So work accordingly and get back. I shall also complete and get back. I've come to the end of the round here. Now chain 3, slip stitch to the very first stitch. One minute. Slip stitch onto the cluster stitch here. Slip stitch to the next chain space, it's not the space, next chain, and into the next chain, and in the chain make a single crochet, chain 1 and a single crochet into that chain. Now chain 5, single crochet in the middle chain of next 3 chains. So in every middle chain of next 3 chains you're going to place your single crochets. These are separated by 5 chains. So continue the round in this manner with the stitch pattern. I shall get back to you when I complete. Okay. I've come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet and fasten off. We're done with this color now. I shall fasten off and get ready with the second color and come back. With the right side facing and with the second color, we have 5 chains made here to the middle chain, slip stitch the new color, chain 1 and place a single crochet there, and into the next chain 5 spaces place 11 double trebles. So yarn over thrice, double treble spaced by a single chain. Chain 1, again a double treble, each is separated by a chain. Chain 1. So double treble, chain 1, double treble, chain 1 11 times. I mean chain 1 I have done double treble here, chain 1 double treble 10 times. So make that 10 times, complete 10 times. I shall get back to you. I shall also complete and get back to you. So 11 double trebles separated by 1 chain each. So there are 10 chain 1 spaces here. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11 double trebles in this. and place a single crochet in the middle chain, that is a third chain of the 5 chains. And again treble chain 1, treble chain 1 10 times, and double treble chain 1, double treble chain 1 10 times, and a double treble in the next chain 5 space. Complete, and then a single crochet in the third chain of the chain 5. Continue the round in this pattern. I shall get back where I began here. Come to the end of the round here. Now I need to slip stitch, join and fasten off. That's it. So I will be back with the next color for the next round. Okay. Join color C to any the single crochets here, one of the single crochets with the slip stitch. You may chain 4 and begin, or make a standing twisted double crochet. Chain 1, 1 double crochet in next chain 1 space, chain 1, 1 double in next chain 1 space, chain 1, 1 double in next chain 1 space. So you need to place chain 1 double, chain 1 double, chain 1 double 4 times, 1 2 3 and 4 times. In the 5th chain 1 space and the 6th chain 1 space, we are going to do 2 double cluster. Chain 1, this is the first 2 double cluster. Now chain 3, we are creating the corner, and make a 2 double cluster in the next chain 1 space. Sorry, I completed the DC. I should not have. Yeah. So here we go. And again chain 1, 1 double, chain 1, 1 double 4 more times. And so 1 2 3 4. Okay, now chain 1, 1 double in the single crochet, and continue the stitch pattern on other 3 petals too. I shall complete and get back to you. Come to the end of this round here. Now I've chained 1. Now slip stitch to the very first DC that we made and join and fasten off. So I'll be back with the color A to complete the square and the last round. With color A, slip stitch into any of the chain spaces. Chain 1 and make a single crochet. Chain 1 does not count as any stitch. This is fine, that will get hidden. One more single crochet in the same chain space. Skip the next cluster, 2 single crochet in chain 1 space. So every chain 1 space, place 2 single crochets. There is no single crochet on the stitches. So till you reach the other corner, place 2 single crochets under every chain 1 space, and in the corner place 2 singles, chain 2, 2 singles. So continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you where I began. I completed the single crochet round and slip stitch, joined and fastened off and hid the yarns too. And here is the whimsical floral pattern 1 under the Granny Square series. So hope you like this pattern, friends, and this video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now, friends. Have a great day.